Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jenny and I do marketing. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through one of the most practical features, that keyword-based group scanning tool. And let's get started. First, we will start by heading into the group scanning section inside the software. And this is the place where you can search Facebook group at scale using automated keyword. Now you can begin adding the keyword you want to scan for. For example, I'm in Asia and the Lunar New Year is approaching, so I can type in keywords related to seasonal products such as Lunar New Year gift and holiday gift basket or New Year products. And you can add as many keywords as you need. There's no limit and flexibility to build your own list based on your business or campaign. Now let's set up the scanning script. In this example, I will configure it so that each keyword can scan up to 30 groups. But remember, the number is fully adjustable and you can increase or lower it. The system allows you to customize everything according to your own strategy. You will, after that, select the Facebook account and press start. The software will take over from here. It will automatically work for you, and you will be able to see the broadcast updating live as each group is scanned. This feature gives you a huge advantage, especially if you are doing marketing, business research, or product targeting. It's perfect for niche market or community outreach. Save hours compared to manually searching group, useful for joining targeted group quickly, and help you collect large amount of data for campaigns. The software also lets you export all the scanned group into the Excel file and make it extremely easy to review your data, find the most profitable community, and share information with your team. Also build long-term customer research database. The best part is the automation. You only need to set the script once and the system handles all the entire workflow. It helps you automatic scanning, automatic filtering, automatic data collection. It's very fast, accurate, and saves you a massive amount of time. This is the end of today's video, and I will leave my information here. Here's my Telegram and WhatsApp contact, or you can take the information from the comment section below. Thank you for listening and see you again soon.